Okay, language explorers, let's look at this week's Wednesday adjectives. So difficult, difficult, something not easy, not easy, not easy, and needs more attention, focus, and effort in order to achieve it. He has a difficult job or task. Yes, that looks difficult. That looks difficult. Whoo! Cycling for long distances is difficult. Yeah, you've got a long way to go. How cool is that? This is a difficult plan. Yeah, I think it will be difficult to achieve, but it's possible. Achieve, but it is possible. Yes. How cool is that? Getting around the city is difficult. Yeah. This city is complex, and it is difficult to get from one side to the other. It's difficult, not easy, difficult. Yeah. So, I have a difficult task. She has a difficult job. He does not have a difficult life. Easy life. How cool is that? They are difficult people to get hold of. Difficult people to get hold of. They're always hard to get hold of. Difficult. Yeah. It is a difficult language to learn. Yeah. I have heard that Chinese is a difficult language, but I think it is easy. It's easy. I know some Chinese, and it's easy. Easy. Yeah, tonal language, the way you say the word, but that's something else. So, we thought he was a difficult person to deal with. See, I thought he would have been difficult, but he was very easygoing. No, yeah, easy. Whew. He's planning on a long and difficult route. Oh, yes. I took the difficult route around Scotland and went all over the place. Yeah, I saw so many places in Scotland. Yes. How cool is that? Yeah, how cool is that? They're walking the difficult path up the mountain. Yeah, I drove up a difficult route up the mountain. Yeah, it was quite tense and challenging at times. A difficult route. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah, not easy. It was not easy, but very fun. Very fun. Let's get a picture. There we are. Very fun. Yeah, definitely. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, very good. So, difficult. Something not easy and needs attention, focus, and effort in order to achieve it. Yeah. I have a difficult task. Cycling for long distances is difficult. The difficult person, difficult route. How cool is that? So, can you use difficult in a sentence? Write the sentence in the comments below and like the video. And subscribe. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram. Yeah. By searching for English with Adrian and looking at Udemy for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that? How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.